welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing really well. So in today's video I am going to do a book haul. So I haven't done any book haul video until now on my channel except for the one that I did for the lockdown special kind of video. These are some of the books that I've bought of lately. Not all of them have been bought by me. Some of them are gifted. Let's just begin with the video now. So the first book or the books that I wanted to show is something that I've already talked a lot on my channel, and that is The Henna Artist. So this was one book that I bought because I wanted to read, of course, The Secret Keeper of Jaipur. Now I have already told a lot about these two books on my channel in the most anticipated books video. So I have completed reading The Henna Artist and I will be reading The Secret Keeper of Jaipur, and these books are by Alka Joshi. This one is a gifted book, so my brother gifted me this book, and this is a bought book, so I bought it. So I'm not following any chronology or any genre categorization or anything. I will just pick up whatever book is coming in front of me and I'll let you know that that is the book that I bought. So the next book is Born a Crime by Trevor Noah. This book I've already read and this is a very, very nice book. This was like a memoir. I picked up a memoir like after ages, and I really loved reading. Of course, it's Trevor Noah. There were certain jokes that were made were very witty and very smart, and you loved the book, to be very honest, and very easy read, so you can try. Okay, so you all know by now that I do not like reading self-help books. What I feel is that they're too much like they're toxic positive. I mean, I don't get motivated. Upar se, I might get like, oh my god, I would like get that instinct कि ये इतना मेहनत कर रहे हैं, I think I should do this, and you know I feel toxic about it, so I'm not that person. But of course the world is talking about self-help books and motivation and everything, so I fell in that trap and I bought some of the self-help books. One of them is Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book I've heard a lot by people on Instagram specifically, so people are talking a lot about this book and I was like, okay, I should give it a try because if it's that good. Some of them have given me a review like this is a very business appropriate book which will tell you about more about investment or something. I don't know. I haven't like read the synopsis as well because I'm that skeptical about like if I'll read the synopsis I might not like it and I might not read a book, so I don't want that to happen with regards to the self-help books. The second book in the self-help category is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Yeah, this is by Robin Sharma. This is a very famous book by him. I think the other book that is really famous and popular by the same author is The 5 AM Club, if I'm not wrong. I haven't yet ordered that book because of course I need to give it a try first, that I'll be able to read a self-help book. So if I do like this book, I will purchase the other one, and if I don't, I might fall into the trap that, you know, fear of missing out. So yeah, this is the other book that I bought. The next book that I'm going to show that I bought are like one of my most favorite, or some books that you always keep an eye on कि शायद वो सस्ती हो जाते, शायद आप खरीद लोगे, some sort of that thing. So I bought 2 hardcover books, and that is Becoming by Michelle Obama and The Promised Land by Barack Obama. And I really wanted to read this book. When it released, it was priced at some around 1500 if I'm not wrong, or maybe above. So I was like, I don't know, if because you know when you're reading, when you're starting to read, you don't feel like कि पता नहीं मतलब मैं तक पढ़ पाऊंगी, is it worth spending? Of course every book is worth spending every penny, but you know, so I got a pretty much great deal on both the books. I already had The Becoming in paperback, but this is a hardcover and you cannot miss a hardcover. Yeah, it's a very prized possession thing that I have. I finally got these 2 books and I'm happy to share it with you. Yay. So my brother apparently got placed and he gifted all of us with his first salary some or the other thing. So I asked him that gift me books. Apart from The Secret Keeper of Jaipur, he gifted me 2 more books, and which is Seriously I'm Kidding by Ellen DeGeneres, which I read in the last challenge. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it somewhere here in the eye. And this is a great book, a book that will make you laugh, a very easy and quick read, but a book that you'll love reading, I am damn sure. So the next book that he gifted me was Circe, and this is also yet another book which was much talked about on Bookstagram, and yeah, I wanted to read, and it is apparently after I was like searching for the pronunciation of the book title, I found out that it means goddess. So now I'm more intrigued to see what it is all about, and yeah, this is another book that I got. I've been watching a lot of booktuber content and a lot of people who talk about books. So I get my recommendations, I get to know about new releases. So there's this one YouTuber by whom I'm really inspired, and her name is Emmy. She's totally opposite of me because she's very calm and very patient and very soft spoken, which I'm not. She was reading, actually she has this playlist, and I will make sure that I link her channel down below, but she has this one complete different playlist. She compares Leo Tolstoy's and Charles Dickens books, and she has this very nice podcast conversation with other booktubers as well. So she was reading this book called War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy, and it was a very thick book. So I was really intrigued that I want to read War and Peace. But I was like, she's told me that it's a difficult read. I did not read any Leo Tolstoy work apparently. So I thought that I should start with something very easy, and what better than short stories. So I bought Leo Tolstoy, the greatest short stories. So I thought, what better than to start reading with short stories, and if this I'm able to read, I will gift myself the War and Peace book. So yeah, this is one milestone that I need to cross before I buy the War and Peace book. Now the next book that I bought is The Seven Husbands by Evelyn Hugo, which I did tell that I'll be reading in the previous vlog, but I was not able to come to this book. This is going to be my next read, which I am thinking as of now. But yeah, this is the book that I bought, and it was like talked, a lot of very popular booktubers have rated this book as 5-star. A few people that I know have said that they haven't liked the book and it was not worth the hype. Now both the contrasting reviews have made me more curious to read this book. I really wanted to read this book, and a lot of people have actually talked about it and have recommended this book, so I bought it. And it's the autobiography of a yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. If you have given me an opportunity, I would love to read stories and fables and fantasies. I cannot always, of course, read stories. I can, but I do not prefer to. I'm sorry, I'm seeing this side again and again, is because my screen is here and my camera is here. So I'm sorry for the disturbance. The next book is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. This book was recommended in a video, books that are less than 100 pages. So this was that book, and of course if you want to give it a try, like there are a lot of people who say recommend me some book that is very easy to read or a very thin book. So this is one book that I would like to recommend. So the last book in this haul is The Glass Palace by Amitav Ghosh, and I want this. Yeah, so I had like options to choose from 3 books, and I went on Goodreads and I found it because I hadn't read any of the books that was there. So I went on Goodreads, I found which was the most highest rated book, and this was the one, The Glass Palace. I've already heard about the author so much, so why not just give it a try. So with this, we have come to an end of our video, and I hope you like this vlog. If you really want to read any of these books, and if you would like to know the reviews and everything, I post reviews on my Goodreads account, which I'll make sure that I link in the description box. I post reviews on Instagram as well, so I'll make sure to link that as well. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until we meet, bye.